don't you stay put while I go look for a way out of here? Good idea. What is it, Scoob?
Monster!
Oh, boy. A monster?
Yeah, Raggy. Don't be ridiculous. What kind of monster? Okay, that hurt. But I guess we're just lucky to be alive.